where you can find your recycle bin or your recently deleted photos on your iPhone. Now, if you're new to using iPhone, you might need this video. So before we start, if you're new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let us start with the tutorial. First, just open up your photos. Now after you open your photos, you need to go to your album section, right? And after you go to your album section, just scroll down till the end. And in the end, you will see under utilities, you will see the recently deleted option. Now if you have your Face ID enabled, you will have to use your Face ID to access your recently deleted, or if you don't have it, you might just need your iPhone's password. So just tap on recently deleted and there you will see all of your recently deleted videos. So that is pretty much it, guys. That is how you find your recycle bin or your recently deleted photos on your iPhone. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye, take care.